Hey, this is Paul at Nika Specialty Flooring Products. I have two machines that I want to introduce to you. First and foremost is a 30-inch grinder slash polisher, 20 horsepower. This thing's a beast at 925 pounds, variable speed, gear driven, planetary head. We also have the 23-inch grinder slash polisher, 7.5 horsepower, 507 pounds, same 220 volt, variable speed, planetary. A little bit about each machine. Both have a floating shroud, lights for hard to see areas, a telescopic cord handle on both, shut off switch, directional, variable speed. They can be wet or dry cut. Weights, vacuum, power. These are terrific machines at a heck of a good price. Let us quote you. We will not be undersold. Give us a call at these numbers or email us at info@NikkaCorp.com.